rail fans, and welcome back to the Rusty Boxcar channel. Today we've got for you M574-28, which was from December 28th. This is a manifest train leaving Nashville's Radnor Yard headed up to Cincinnati's Queensgate Yard. And on this particular day, it's led up by 7421 and 5209. Then we're going to see a couple of retired yard slugs, 1057 and 1068. Those were both being moved north to Ohio. They'd been sold off to Larry's Truck and Electric, headed to their Lordstown, Ohio facility. And then we're going to see 3079 and 808 is mid-train DPUs. Pretty long M574 on this day. It's going to come in at just under 12,050 feet, according to the defect detector. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video, and we will be back soon with a new one for you. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it out there. If you did, please drop down below and click that thumbs up button to give us a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, either clicking the subscribe button down below, or you can hit the rusty Boxcar logo on the right side of the screen. Drop us a comment also. We enjoy those, and we'll try to answer them as fast as we can.